What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And today's day 17 of the Nipsey Hustle challenge. And what I want to talk about today is something that's very important that I think everybody should have everywhere they go. Let me put it up right here. And there's a little yellow book where you can put all your ideas, and you should carry this around everywhere you go. I write in it every day, different ideas that I have. It's just like a little black book, but this, you can go to Walmart, Target, or something like that. I think this was like $4.99, $5. And you should carry it everywhere you go. Small little book, you can put it in your pocket. I'd rather have this in my pocket than my phone. It's just ideas that you write on here, different situations that happen and stuff like that. You can just write it on here. I am at the park. Beautiful day at the park, but like I said, carry an idea book. I call this an idea book, and because your brain will lie to you. Your brain will let you know that, oh, I remember it, but then by the time hours go by, you forgot what you were thinking. So once you have one of these, you know, you have a pen and you have one of these in your pocket, just write your ideas down, and at the end of the night, just look through it. If you have any ideas, see if you can put it into action. If not, then no. What else? Gonna be a short video. So day 17 Nipsey Hustle challenge. Hopefully everybody's doing well, and just do your thing. Hopefully you're getting some knowledge off these videos. What is it, 13 more days, and then this video series will be over, and now I'll start something else. But get yourself a little black book. Peace.